Who made this big mess? What's that? Fence. Fence. Hi, Dom. Did you make the big mess? The book did it? You're so handsome. We don't actually have to have out every single toy. Did you know that? Dominic, can you wave bye-bye to the camera? Wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye to the camera. Don't look at me like I'm retarded. Wave bye-bye to the camera. Fine, be that way. Chris, can you wave bye-bye? No. Can you roll your eyes? Can you roll your eyes at me? Chris, are you a tiger? No, now you're going to ignore me. You're a stinker. We're going to clean this place. Are you going to help me clean? Pick up all the toys? No, you're not. Chris, are you going to help me clean and pick up all the toys? Turn it the other way, buddy. There you go. Oh, what a mess. What? You're gonna turn it the other way. There you go. What you reading, Dom? You reading about Henry? Can you say bye-bye? I'm turning off the camera. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Alright, fine.